face, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm dying. Help me.
Oh, come on, man.
Do it! Just do it!
NANI?
Nope. Really, nigga?
What the fuck was that?
Why you bully me?
Spider-Man!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Boom headshot! Boom headshot! Boom headshot!
Bye, have a great time.
Do it! Do it! Come on! Kill me! I'm here! Come on! Do it now! Kill me!
It's easy!
Enemy spotted.
Fuck! 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 Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Help me! Help me! Nigga!
No! God, please, no!
Snag. I'm a snag. I'm a snag.
You're the last one. Complete the mission. I'm joking! Stop! 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 Stop the brake! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Years later. 346 minutes later. 6 hours later.
6 months later!